Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak mashed potatoes easy guide. Season the steak generously with salt and pepper and let it sit while you prep potatoes. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, add potatoes, and simmer until fork tender. While potatoes cook, warm milk and melt butter, then chop herbs. This sequence keeps timing smooth and yields juicy steak and creamy mashed potatoes every time. Heat a heavy pan until very hot, then add oil and lay the steak away from you to avoid splatter. Sear each side until a brown crust forms, flipping once to preserve juices. Use a thermometer or time to reach your desired doneness, then move steak to a plate and rest covered loosely with foil. Resting lets the juices redistribute, giving a tender, flavorful bite with every slice. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple meals for you. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you prep, season, and wait on that perfect steak rest, and it fits easily in a chef apron pocket. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then grab a sip, and now let's get back to the video. After draining the potatoes, mash them directly in the pot to absorb steam and keep them fluffy. Add warm milk and butter gradually until you reach a creamy texture, then season with salt and pepper. Stir in fresh herbs for brightness and use a little beef pan juice for depth if you like. This method balances richness and texture so the mashed potatoes complement the steak perfectly without overpowering it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.